Hi guys, welcome back to our Wixel series. Today we're going to create a logo with Wixel. Let's get started. So go to wixel.com. By the way, you will be automatically logged in here if you are previously logged into your main Wix account. So that same account will be the same account here in Wixel that'll be logged in. So once you're here, click on Create with AI to open the chat with Aria, Wixel's AI assistant. Next, click on this field and then start inputting the kind of logo you'd like Wixel or Aria to create for you. Once you're done, click on Generate, and then you will be redirected to this page where Wixel's Aria will start working on your prompt and will start generating your logo. Once it's done generating, it will offer you four variations of logo to choose from. So if you're not happy with any of them, you can click on regenerate, but regenerating a logo would then cost you more credit. So yeah. But if you find something you like, hover over it and click on select. Once you select it, it will be then saved to your projects and you'll be redirected to Wixel Beta's editor where you can tweak it if there's anything you'd ever like to change within it. And basically, that's it. Hope you guys found today's video of help. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope to see you guys in the next video.